To look directly at the sun blinds our naked eye. It doesn't seem possible. It's 100 times larger than Earth, 93 million miles away, and burning millions of degrees hotter than a raging volcano. Have you ever wondered, if the sun is that powerful, how much more powerful is the one who created it? As we gaze into the night sky, we cannot see all the trillions upon trillions of stars that stretch out over billions of light years in every direction. Some scientists put the number at 76 sextillion stars, and each star burns with unimaginable power. Some are even 1,000 times bigger than the sun. There may be even more stars than grains of sand on all the seashores of Earth combined. Yet not a single star is there by accident. So how could we ever fully comprehend the Creator, who spoke each of those stars into existence? In just 1 second, light can travel around the Earth 7 times. That's a speed of 186,000 miles every second. Even at that great speed, it takes light 133 million seconds, or 4.2 years, to reach the next closest star to our solar system. Since we obviously can't travel at the speed of light, it would take us about 165,000 years to get there at space shuttle speed. And that's just to the closest star. The farthest stars appear billions of years away, even if traveling at the speed of light. The universe is billions of light years across, but God is there and holds it all in the palm of His hand. Some have wondered if there might be more Earth-like planets in the universe, and only God knows. But in order for human life to exist on Earth, 122 exact specifications must exist simultaneously. These are called anthropic constants, such as Earth's specific levels of gravity, oxygen, atmospheric transparency, and 119 other constants. Take one out and life becomes virtually impossible. That means our existence is so finely tuned. The chance for Earth randomly occurring is estimated at 1 chance in 10 to the power of 138. That's a 1 followed by 139 zeros, a number dwarfing even the total number of atoms estimated in the entire universe. Although we are a tiny speck on this planet, and this planet is a tiny speck in the universe, God has willed that we exist. So strange how limited human minds can look through a telescope desperate to find life out there, and at the same time totally miss the life giver, holding the whole cosmos in His hand. In society, we know the powerful don't generally seek relationship with the common folk. Likewise, we should be nothing, totally insignificant, like dust on a tabletop before the throne of God. But from our vantage point, we lose perspective and forget our size. It should be God ignoring us, rather than us ignoring God. But because God's love supersedes even His creative power, He's given us the greatest gift of all, the gift of significance. A significance rooted in His pursuit of us. And that's the best news we could ever have, that our Maker wants to talk to us, listen to us, would even send part of Himself to suffer and die for us, all to have relationship with us. This moves us from utter pointlessness and insignificance to an honored seat at the table with the King, to be closer than family. But maybe our feeble minds are more comfortable relegating God to a mere idea, just a concept to simply be believed or not believed. Perhaps it seems safer to try to put God in a box or formula we could fully imagine, contain, and predict, or the scientists could prod and measure. But a God that can fit inside our brain isn't bigger than our pain, our questions, or our disappointments. And so he becomes easier to dislike, or worse, ignore. But in this case, perhaps your God is too small. The universe has enormous size, power, and mystery. But it's tiny compared to God, His power, and His love. Yet we still tend to believe we know what's best for our lives. So the question remains, what could God do in you if you fully surrendered to His transformative power for your life?